We have ended up in Vegas. I can't even turn around like now. This is a family show. Do you know why these statues always have small penises?
What is that?
I've had it once.
Never had it.
Natalie has never had it.
Fun. On a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay.
About a 12.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Brits, you throw a hell of a party.
You do throw it. This is what we planned. This is what we planned. Finally arrived in Vegas and we went ahead and did something really stupid. Come check out our hotel room.
It comes with Jerry.
It comes with a Jerry. This is the Forum Duplex suite at Caesar's Palace.
Supposed to be in frame.
And so, as you will see, let me grab a camera here.
Sorry.
This
I really
is the Rainman and the Hangover suite. So they were both filmed in here. Hangover was actually filmed in multiple suites, but Rainman, this is the one you would see them dancing here. I hope to recreate that with John later. This is our bedroom. So we have the bed here. We have a nice seating area over here. And then if we run back, TV obviously, we have our bathroom. We have double sinks here, we have a hot tub, and we have a huge walk-in shower with multiple shower heads. And then obviously, we have a toilet in here. Now this is exactly the same the other side, which will be John's side. But let's go downstairs. Let's take a little walk downstairs. Downstairs to the entertainment area. We have the TV, which can obviously spin around. We have a great view of the strip, and then we have enough area here for seating all the way around. And then as we come through, we have adjoining rooms if we would want to do that, but we don't. This here is the dining area, and then through here, this is the catering kitchen. So that actually has a door out into the hallway. Natalie is not impressed by this. It is not up to quality, but honestly, we're not going to use this because we're just going to order food in and they prepare it, and then we will sit here and eat. That's not going to happen because I want a KFC. So that's it. This is the Forum Duplex suite in Caesar's Palace. One thing we will say is we paid a lot of money for this. This isn't sponsored. Nothing. We got nothing for free here. We paid for this with our own money. And we're spoiling ourselves because why not? It's John's 50th, it's my 40th, and we're doing it. So the only thing I will say is we had to carry our own bags to our room because it's an hour and a half wait for them to do it. Not happy about that, Caesar's Palace. That's not cool. That's not cool. Anyway, what are we doing now?
Throwing a mattress off the roof.
We're going to throw a mattress off the roof.
And grab a tiger.
And steal a tiger and get punched by Mike Tyson. If you haven't seen The Hangover, go and watch it. John's not happy about something.
Well, I've just been into my bathroom.
Right.
And I've got a lovely big jacuzzi in there.
Yeah.
But my TV's only that big, it's not any bigger.
You would think they would have. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
It's disgusting. I know. I'm ashamed by this.
See what I mean? It's just not big enough.
You're right. What is it? 40 inch?
At most, 38 possibly.
I mean, you're never going to see it from here.
No. And if it's that small, the speakers on it aren't going to be great.
No.
So you're not going to hear it over the bubbles.
I know.
So I don't know what to do.
It's just terrible. Terrible.
No fridge upstairs.
In the room.
Well, there's no fridges
You've got to go
upstairs.
downstairs to get your
You
beers
have
out
to
of the fridge.
walk to go and get your beers.
I need my inhaler to go down there and back again. No, it's right. Got new shoes. I can run really fast in these.
So John only brought bike boots with him. So every night when we've gone out, he he hasn't been able to wear anything but his bike boots, but he went to Walmart today and bought some new sneakers. So he's running around. Oh, they look lovely. How much were they?
I'm walking on air. $12.
$12. Walmart special. We're staying in a hotel room, $2,000 a night, and he's wearing $12 trainers. Sneakers. Sorry, sneakers.
Good morning. If you watched our video last week, we have taken a detour from our Route 66 trip to go to Vegas. We have never been here before, but we're here at Caesar's Palace on day 16 of our trip. And we splashed out. It is John's 50th birthday. It's not actually, but it is soon, and it's my 40th. We've been planning this for a long time, and we have treated ourselves to the Forum Duplex suite in Caesar's Palace. So we also invited our friend Jerry from Happy Place Diaries to join us. He's currently lounging about down there doing not much, I'm going to be honest, and he is going to be our tour guide. So we've never been here before. We don't know what to see. We have about, what, 8 hours to see everything Vegas has to offer.
6.
6 hours now, because I decided to sleep in a bit.
You needed it.
I needed it. It's been tough. All right, so we're going out. The first thing we're going to do is get some food that anyone on the West Coast probably eats pretty often, but we have not had it. I've had it once.
I've never had it.
Natalie has never had it, and this is a Western delicacy. All right, so we're trying our first In-N-Out burger. Natalie doesn't like hamburgers, so she just got some fries. She doesn't look too happy with it.
No, it tastes like they're not cooked. Thank you, John.
But I got the double-double, which, by the way, on the secret menu, you can have up to 100 burgers, 100 patties in a burger, apparently. I went for the double-double and the animal fries, which is like with beef. So, John, what do you think of your first In-N-Out burger?
It was very tasty, actually, and not a bad price either.
Yeah, I liked it. Natalie, what do you think
That
of
was
your
awful. I'm never having one again. Cheers.
She did not like it. She doesn't like hamburgers, and so she just got the fries, plain fries. But the one thing I'm worried about is I don't know whether it means In-N-Out burger because you can get in and out quickly, or because it goes in and out quickly. Because
I hope it's the first one.
I do too, because we have to go to Fremont Street now, so let's go grab an Uber. It's just down the road. All right, so the way we've been described this is that there's two parts of Vegas. There's the main strip, which is the new stuff. It's all the big casinos and hotels, but then there is Fremont Street, which is like the old classic mafia part. That's where it all started, apparently. So I didn't really know, I didn't understand that. I knew there's two places you want to go, but so we're going to go to Fremont Street. Apparently that gets really crazy in the evening. Like really crazy. But we're not doing that in the evening because we have other plans this evening. So we're going to get an Uber there, do Fremont Street, and then we'll come back and we will explore here. We already did the Bellagio.
Yeah.
The fountain was fantastic.
It was.
So that's the deal. That's our plan. Thank you, Jerry from Happy Place Diaries, for being our tour guide. Did you tell Gordon we were coming to Vegas?
I didn't let him know, no.
You didn't give him a call?
No.
I don't know if he's here or not. I might ping him a text later and see if old GR is in town. The Ramsey. Alright, so quick tip, if you are getting an Uber, it's very difficult to, a lot of hotels don't let them ride up front and stuff, but we're at Harrah's. Let's call it Harrah's. And they actually have a rideshare pickup point here, so you can actually order your Uber here and it's cool to use.
Didn't have to wait very long for that. It's not a party Uber today, guys.
Florida and Oregon.
Where are we going?
This way.
Okay, we're going
Fremont.
this way. So you do have to get an Uber. It's much further than I thought it would be. So,
yeah.
Wow, okay.
This is the Fremont experience.
This is cool. All right, so everyone will recognize this. That is awesome. I've seen this on TV and it looks cool, but that's pretty cool. This place is amazing at night.
First 20 odds from the UK.
For the UK?
Yeah.
Everybody make some noise for the UK!
Me and Jerry are playing the husbands right now, except we're in a Harley store. John's looking for something very specific.
Yeah.
It's called a snud. in the UK, and it's basically just like a neck thing to stop our necks getting burnt, like a scarf. What do you call them here?
Huh?
Do they have a name?
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's just like a little scarf thing.
I'm not a Harley rider.
Well, neither are we until now.
I don't know, but she would probably know.
No, we said in the last store, hey, have you got any snuds? And they look very confused. Anyway, any bikers on here, can you let us know? Like, it's just like a little scarf, like.
It's like a, like a balaclava?
Yeah, like that.
But it doesn't have a top.
But it doesn't
come
have
straight down over your head.
Oh, a buff.
A buff.
Yeah.
Is Jerry right?
Yeah, a buff. It's called a buff.
All right, we have reached the end of Fremont Street, and this is actually where you can actually, if you go up here, there is a zip line that goes all the way down. It's something like it goes 7 blocks or something crazy like that. Now, I don't like heights at all, or zip lines, but I was going to do it because you kind of shoot straight forward. But there's nothing available until later on this evening, so I just think it closes during the day. We saw a couple people on it earlier, but it is kind of expensive. It's like 60 bucks, and oh dear, what's going on here? It's like 60 bucks, and then it's another $25 if you want to strap a GoPro to it, and you can't take your own, so that sucks. But anyway, this is it. The Fremont experience, you have to come down here. We haven't been here for very long. We watched a really cool show. Right, I think we're going to head back to the main strip now and see what we can see, and then head back to the room. So for YouTubers, we're actually in Fremont East now, and it's nice and quiet here. There's a bit of music down the road, but the hard thing about videoing in Vegas is everywhere has music playing. And if you put that on YouTube, it copyrights the music, and then you get the video removed, and you get a copyright strike. So it's really tough to video anywhere because there's street music, the music in the casinos, in restaurants, everything. It's annoying, isn't it, Natalie?
Very annoying.
It is annoying. So anyway, we're in East Fremont Street. There is really nothing here. It's very quiet. There's a few businesses, things like that. And so I don't know what this is, but we're going to get an Uber back to the main strip. We're going to hang out in the hotel for a while, and then we're meeting up with some people later. We're going to admit, Natalie.
Yeah.
It's not the best waterfall I've seen.
Due to the lack of water.
There's no water, is it? Just a fall?
It's under construction.
It is. I got fences around, and they do apologise for the inconvenience, but yeah. It's going to be lovely when it's got water in it, with a waterfall.
We've seen this in Italy.
We've seen the actual one in Italy.
Yes.
Do you think it is the same as this? What is it called?
I feel like it's like the Piaggio or something. I'll have
Something
to,
like that.
I'll have to check.
Yeah, we'll overlay it. But yeah, we have actually seen the real one of this in Italy, in Rome. Very cool. So this is the main lobby. It is very fancy, isn't it, Jerry?
Very nice.
What do you think?
Yeah. Roman goddesses.
And you say this hasn't changed for like 20 years?
No, I think this has been like that ever since Elvis was coming here.
Really?
Yeah.
I heard something recently. Do you know why these statues always have small penises?
Why is that?
Because actually a large penis was not a good thing back in the day.
That's because they were all.
John said something in reply to that, but honestly it's true. It is because like a large manhood was not a good thing back in the day.
Agreed.
It still isn't, alright ladies, it still isn't. We've made it out like we're touring the casino, but we're not. We're actually completely lost. We just asked a man for help, and I'm sure he just said, yeah, go down there and take a left.
He said, go to the casino, take a left.
So,
Man,
we are
bitch.
going through the shops, Jerry. Alright, as we come out the elevator, we have rooms all the way down there, all the way down there. Our room is right here. Ta-da!
Lucy, I'm home.
Who's Lucy?
Lucy and Dizzy Arnaz. Lucille Ball. Never mind.
Right, we had a fantastic night out for dinner with some friends and subscribers, and many people left actually very early, but we are now filming some random stuff. Todd and Sheila have got some crazy idea. I can't even turn around like now. This is a family show, and we don't really know what's going on. If you haven't seen Switch It Up, you need to go and check it out because they are doing some crazy stuff. And I can't wait for Todd's video to come out. That's all I'm going to say. I'll link to it. I'll link to it once the video's out. Okay. Here's one quick clip.
Okay, we're doing quiet on the set.
Quiet on set.
That's all you get. All right, we're skipping forward a lot now because yesterday was just a blur. I know we've taken some footage on stuff, but I'm going to be honest, at this moment right now, I'm not sure how much of that we can show. So we're going to end here and we're going to show you some of the clips, if that's possible, of some of the shenanigans that happened last night at our meetup here in our fancy hotel room in Vegas. So I don't know what this is going to look like, but let's roll it.
This is how you use the space.
Brits, you throw a hell of a party.
It's a movie space. This is Frank Sinatra was here.
They've asked for toilet paper and magazines and
Dustin Hoffman walked these stairs.
there is a bear walking down the stairs in our hotel room.
Think of that.
Now Jerry's vlogging.
Todd Connaughton dressed up in a tutu in the same space.
And Jerry's here.
And Jerry. And Jerry.
I've been thinking about how I can put this in a video and I can't say anything like we don't know what's going on. We had some friends over, Todd's imagination ran wild.
Do not put that out.
This isn't how I imagined this to go down. A few drinks, some wine. Is this what Americans do?